Hello. Good evening, all. Am I audible? Have people joined in? Please send me your thumbs up if you've joined. Yes? Are people joining? Okay. Let's wait for a while. Let people join in. And then I can introduce you to myself. Hello, Gurket, Babita, Mohammad Tariq, Neha, Bittu, Jyoti, Pratibha. So I think now I can start. Many people have joined in. So I think I can introduce myself. Okay, let's start. Good evening, all. Good evening, everyone. I'm Megha Raj from Megha's Kitchen, and you're watching me live on Amul Homemade Simple Recipes. And firstly, let me start with thanking Amul for helping me, for giving me a platform to showcase my talent. So today I'm going to prepare cheesy grilled broccoli. So let's start. So before we start, let me tell you what all the ingredients are. And also before that, let's start and preheat our air fryer. Okay? Because it will take time. So now let me show you the ingredients. We have broccoli, say approx 200 grams, cut into florets and blanched. 2 tablespoons of cheese, a little white pepper powder, a little green chili paste, some ground garlic cloves, curd. It should be thick and hung. So I took Amul Masti dahi and then I had hung that for some time. And these are ground cardamom seeds, and this is full cream and some lemon juice. So first we'll start with marination. For that, we'll first take some hung curd and some cheese. Say approx 2 tablespoons each for approx 200 grams. Say for 1 platter. So now we're going to prepare a marination, and then let's see how it comes out. We need to mix it very well. It should really look creamy. With no lumps of cheese. Okay, now I think it should be fine. So as you can see, we've prepared this creamy texture. To this, now we'll add a little salt, some white pepper, little bit of green chili paste according to taste. We're not adding any chili powder because this is green, so and the marinade will be white, so let's not add any red chili powder. We'll add some ground cloves, around 2 tablespoons of 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. So again, we'll start mixing it. We'll keep mixing it till it is smooth. Lastly, we will add a little bit of lemon juice. As you can see now, our marinade is ready. So now we'll add the broccoli florets. And see that they are totally dipped.
Capture it for people who came in later.
Okay. So for people who came in later, I'll again repeat. So firstly, I added 2 tablespoons of cheese and with 2
What is the
tablespoons of
recipe?
hung curd. So and then
What is the recipe?
it's grilled cheese broccoli.
Now tell the ingredients.
Okay. So the ingredients are cheese 2 tablespoons, hung curd 2 tablespoons, cream, fresh cream 2 tablespoons, garlic cloves crushed, cardamom powder crushed, some green chili paste, lemon juice and salt to taste. So firstly, we took 2 tablespoons of cheese and hung curd and we mixed it well into a creamy, thin paste. Not very thin, but creamy thick paste you can say. Then we'll add we'll add cream and lemon juice, cloves, this cardamom powder, green chili paste and white pepper. And we'll mix it again. It should be a thick batter. So
Once the marination is ready,
see, this marinade should be quite thick, and we should be very careful in putting lemon juice so that it does not become very thin. Okay, so now see, I've prepared the broccoli. See, I have already prepared the broccoli from before. I've marinated it. We'll keep this for around 15 to 20 minutes before we want to air fry it or grill it. So we're keeping this aside for now.
and this is
And this I have already marinated from before, so that I can show you people.
so that's how it'll look after 15 minutes.
Yes, this is how it will turn.
Okay.
Okay.
And now you're going to put it in the air
So
fryer.
now I'm putting it in the air fryer.
Is it hot and ready?
It's
Or
hot now.
what? So you're using air fryer. Only this is the only option to use it?
No, you can use it on a tandoor, or you can make it in an OTG also. So I will be doing it in an air fryer. I don't have a gas tandoor, so I'm preparing it in this. See, I have kept a foil already.
So you've already placed a foil. So you can directly place a foil inside an air fryer, is it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Is it?
You can.
Is it healthy? Is it a healthy dish or it's a harmful? But don't you think it can be harmful?
Some research suggests it might be harmful, but this dish is usually prepared like this. Else, you can also use a glass container. There are glass containers also. Any container which you can use in an OTG, you can use in this also directly.
Does this have any amount of carbs?
No.
There are no carbs in this? Almost
No.
negative.
Almost negative. This is for people who are really on for a no carb diet or a keto diet.
So shall we place it now? Is it enough time that we have given to this to rest?
Yes, yes.
Is it ready to be
This is
placed
ready.
inside the air fryer?
Yes, yes. So now we are
That's how
placing
you
it.
place it?
Yes. This is how I'll place it. I think I'll take off my gloves.
Can we deep fry it? Somebody is asking.
No, we cannot deep fry it. The oil will
is-
become dirty, and all the marinade will get separated.
Sir Banu Abu is there.
No, sir.
Okay.
We cannot air fry it. So now let me add this marinade again on top of the broccoli so that it's not wasted, and it tastes good also.
So you mean to say there is no wastage? All the marinade can be used on top?
Yes, yes, yes. So now
So is it
placing
ready to
this-
go in?
Yes, now it's ready.
Okay. At what temperature do we put it at for how many minutes?
So we're putting this for 20 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade.
Okay. So how 20
So it
minutes?
will
Are we
take
going to
around,
wait for 20 minutes?
No. We are not waiting for 20 minutes.
So you have one prepared already?
See,
Oh, this is one prepared.
this I have already prepared
Okay.
and kept ready to be served.
Okay.
So
While we get it ready, we can remove few things. So now we are going to plate it.
yes, let's plate it. Let's serve it.
What is this?
This is some mint chutney.
Okay. Does it go well with the preparation?
No. It doesn't go well. You don't need any kind of dip for this because it is already dipped and marinated. This is just for garnishing that I am doing. So
Grilled cheese broccoli does not require any mint chutney.
no.
So
no.
we are using the mint chutney only for garnishing.
Yes.
Okay. This is for basically for show.
Sure. Okay.
So what have you done? You put the lemon, and how does that
See, I have
red
put-
chili stick onto it?
Yes. I'll do that.
What
I'll
is
show
your
you.
trick? Show us your trick. What is that in your hand? So that's a green chili, and is that a toothpick?
Yes. See, I've cut the toothpick small, and now I'll place it.
So you're going to put through the toothpick into the red chili and into the lemon, is it?
Right. Okay. So that it's sitting on the lemon.
So it will not move.
No, it won't move. It's not moving.
Okay. Somebody wants a recap again. We
I'll
will
give a recap.
recap at the end. Okay. So right now we go ahead with the garnishing.
Okay.
Okay. So now are we going to put the pieces
Yes.
on?
Now we
So
will-
this was cooked for 20 minutes
Yes.
at 200 degree.
Yes.
In advance you cooked it and you kept it ready.
Right.
Oh, it's looking quite yummy. Can I taste?
Sure.
Okay. Looks nice.
See. Grilled cheesy broccoli is ready. So just serve it on a plate for someone you love. Okay?
Serve it on a plate and share it with someone you love. Thank you. Somebody is here to taste.
My daughter, she's there to taste.
Say hello.
Want to try?
Very yummy. Very nice.
Thanks. So, again, a recap. In the meanwhile, let's check whether this broccoli is done or not. See, it's taking a good color. It's getting grilled.
Nice. So, are you going to give a quick recap
Yes, I'll
to
give you-
people who joined late?
Yes.
So,
So
let's.
firstly, we will mix cheese
What are the-
and hunker.
What is the name of the plate? What is the name of this dish?
Grilled cheesy broccoli.
Grilled cheesy broccoli. Okay, the name itself suggests there's a lot of cheese in it.
Yes.
Okay. And
So now
what are the ingredients? How many ingredients do we need?
we need 10 ingredients. Okay?
10 ingredients. Okay.
So starting with broccoli,
Approximately how many grams of broccoli?
say around 200 grams of broccoli,
Okay.
2 tablespoons of hung curd,
2 tablespoons of hung curd. Okay.
2 tablespoons of cheese,
2 tablespoons of cheese.
2 tablespoons of fresh cream,
Fresh cream.
a pinch of cardamom powder,
A pinch of cardamom powder.
half tablespoon of white pepper powder,
Half tablespoon of white pepper powder. Something different about white pepper powder.
We use white pepper because this is prepared with in a white marination. It's green.
White marination.
So we don't want
of
to
course,
add
yes.
black pepper
So that
so
the
that
color
it retains its color. Yes.
good. And what is this? This green thing? Okay, green chilies.
So we are adding green chilies according to taste. And
Okay,
some
so we are
salts.
intentionally using green chilies so that the color will merge with the color of the broccoli, right? And we are
And-
not using any red chilies,
Right.
red chili powder,
Right.
so that the white color will stay of the marination. Yes. And what else? The
That's
last.
it.
Okay.
That's it.
Fine.
So now we will marinate. First we'll make the marinade. For that we need 200 grams of broccoli and that should be blanched. Again we will add cheese and hung curd and make it into a thick creamy paste. Then we will add cream to it. After that we need to add green chili paste, cardamom powder, white pepper powder, garlic cloves, and last but not the least, lemon juice. We add lemon juice at the last so that it doesn't become very watery and we can understand its consistency.
Some people want a written recipe also.
So you can just send me a message. I'll try and reply everyone
After the video.
after the video. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So all these ingredients have to be mixed in
Yes.
that bowl.
So I have marinated. After the marinade was ready into
Yeah.
a creamy paste,
Then we add the broccoli, right?
and then we added the broccoli, and then we flipped it well on in it, and we ensured that the marinade is totally.
And then we let it rest for how long?
Around 20 minutes.
Okay. After the marination, you need to let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes, right?
Okay. And now let's check. I think yes. See, our broccoli is done.
Okay, wow. That looks quite yummy. And all the cheese is also falling down on the plate, huh?
Yes.
Wow, it's look quite brown. And you think the entire thing is cooked well?
Yes. Yes. Because the broccoli was blanched.
Yeah.
We can blanch broccoli for say around 5 minutes till one boil.
Okay.
And we should ensure that we add sugar when we blanch broccoli because then it retains its color. So thank you so much, Amol. And
Now I'm ready to. Are you ready to take a few questions from here?
yes.
And if you would you like to chat?
Okay. I'll take up the questions. Yes. Surely, Yashwanta, I will send you the recipe. Yes, Neha, tell me. What do you mean by options for cooking? Yes, my husband, the gentleman, Mr. Nilesh Raj, is very enthusiastic and he has really helped me and encouraged me. This is a Philips air fryer, as you can see. I'll just show you. This is a Philips air fryer, and I have been using this since last around 10 years. Okay guys, I will be sending you the recipe. Thanks Amul, and thank you Nilesh, and you can just message me. I'll definitely send you recipes, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks.